There's probably something that you can think of that, I could never have that. I could never do that. I could never go there. You know what's really amazing? As a business coach and a real estate broker, I love this time of year because we get to do goal setting. And in 5 years, if I were to tell you that you can have that thing, you can do that thing, you can go to that place in 5 years, all you have to do is set the goal. It's actually pretty baffling how many people in business and in real estate that don't actually have a goal. They don't write it down. Never mind doing a business plan, which is a great thing to do with your coach, but they don't even have a goal. They're just like, I'm gonna work my hardest, I'm gonna do my best, I'm gonna sell the most houses that I possibly can. But it's not specific. And I think it's really important when you're setting a goal that you think far enough in the future to where you can get that thing that you really, really want. And I think it excites it too, when you're able to think, hey, you know what, I'm gonna be able to do that thing I've always wanted to do. You know, I'm gonna be able to fly a plane, I'm gonna be able to go to Italy, I'm gonna be able to, go on the sailing trip, I'm gonna be able to do the things that I wanna do for my family. So I would encourage you, set a goal and stick to it and work with your coach and make it happen. I wanna invite you too to a very special event that we're having on
January 29th from 2 to 5.
January 29th from 2 to 5. We're offering a 66% discount on headshots because we've all used that same outdated, grainy photo, with your arms crossed or however you want to do it. It's time to upload a new one. And so we're having a professional photographer come into our office here at Red Door in Malta, and we hope to see you there. So if you'd like to reserve your spot, let us know. Happy goal setting.